So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then you'll click on more sound settings. And now once you're on this, under the playback tab, you want to find your speakers. You want to double click on it and then you want to click on the enhancements tab. And now once you're on this, you want to tick disable all enhancements. Make sure you have disable enhancements selected and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down till you find Windows Audio. You want to double click on it. And then you want to make the startup type automatic. And then click on start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand sound, video and game controllers. And then you want to find your speakers. You want to right click on it. And then click on update driver. And then click on search for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, your speakers may come with a software like my one does, so if it does, you want to click on your speakers, and then you want to head over to settings, and you want to make sure that your firmware is up to date through the software. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters, and then you want to find audio. You want to click on run, and now this will come up. Wait for this to load, and now once this loads up, you want to click on yes. And then you want to follow all the steps that come up, and then once you complete all this, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.